Hey TikTok, let's fix up some Dolly Darlings I'm making exclusively for my Instagram sale with Rockin' Pop Shop here on TikTok. Go check her out. So super excited to be doing my first sale. These two are going to be exclusive, so see you Saturday.
Part 1. Restoring my old Sailor Moon dolls. I had no idea she could talk. Human washing machine. Bam!
This is my Cabbage Patch doll. My dad bought this for me in 1988 when I was born. It was the first thing he ever bought me, and he went out and got her while I was still in the hospital. And now I'm having a baby girl as well. I really want her to be able to play with my Cabbage Patch doll. So I spent the day up in my parents' loft, that's attic if you're American, trying to find her. and unfortunately she's looking a bit worse for wear. I'm sure some of these stains are from me playing with her, but some of them are probably also from being in storage. Does anyone know if there's a way to get her clean and nice for a baby to play with again? The clothes are all in good condition. There's no holes or anything that needs repairing, so I'm hoping they can just go in the washing machine. But what about the doll itself? It says not to dry clean. Do I scrub it? What do I do? Please help.
Okay, I just wanted to share the process so far with the lamb. The fur has cleaned up really nice and is almost white now, and I have sewn some replacement hooves that I will be hand sewing on shortly, and I'm also going to work on repainting her eyes.
Meet Lammy. Lammy and Liz have been best friends since Liz was 5 years old. She was given Lammy after her grandfather passed away, and they've been together ever since, living life together, even going to France while she was in college. It's so cool to see such a lifelong friendship kind of wear and tear on a stuffed animal, and for me to be able to restore her back to the way that she used to look really is so incredibly rewarding. This is what I love about this job, is I get to kind of turn back time and allow friends to see each other in the way that they used to be. Now, I will say I've actually never restored a stuffed lamb before, so it was really interesting to keep her wool-like texture, make sure that she didn't lose that, because that was very important to Liz for her to keep. So this is her before and after, guys. I am so excited about how this restoration turned out, and thank you all for your support. Love you so much.
You guys have been loving my doll restorations, so now it's Tiana's turn. I got her for $1 from the thrift store, but she needed a lot of work. Most notably, this permanent marker stained on her face. It didn't come out with rubbing alcohol, so I had to go with the big gun. But after some UV light and some benzoyl peroxide, her face cleared up. To make her a little bit more accurate, I decided to pull out a little bit of hair to give her a little front wisp. And to set that pin curl, I steamed it in place. And from there, I customized a few accessories to fit Tiana, and then sewed the lights back into her dress. I was afraid when I bought her she wasn't working, but to my surprise, with some new batteries, she came back to life. The last few steps really brought everything together, including giving her that tight little pin curl. It looks much more like Tiana in my opinion. So with a crown, she's ready for her glamour shots. All zhuzhed up and ready to go. And to be honest, after looking at the promo pictures online, I think I like mine better. What do you think?
Let's make this build a bear opossum awesome. Part 2. Keep in mind, bad might not repair to replace your plush if you remove these tags. Today, I'll show how to remove the tush tag. Use fine point scissors or a seam ripper. Create tension and get ready to snip the exposed threads on the side of the tag that look like this. Take care to not stab through the fabric as you remove the stitches. Sorry the camera is so low. I'll fix that in future videos. Once there's a small hole open, it will be easier to pop the rest of the threads. Get that tag out of here. Now remove those thick threads. Gently tug or snip them out. Get a needle and thread. Let her stitch the hole shut. Gently pull the thread and close the hole up. Tie a knot and you're set to go. Look at that bum. It's nearly perfect. Stay tuned for part 3.